What Facebook objective to choose for your business advertising campaign. What's going on, guys? Welcome to this video, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the objective that you can choose when you're creating your ads. So if you are familiar with the platform, with the ads manager, you're going to notice that you have 11 objectives that you can choose from, and the one that you're going to choose, it really depends of what is your goal when running ads for your business, right? So you're not going to use them all. I haven't used them all. I only use 4 or 3, and probably you want to use them. Trust me, there are 11, but most of the time you won't use all of them. Just 3, 4 is enough, depending on what you want to achieve, right? So I want to mention to you the ones that you have available, the most popular ones, and my favorite one by far, and it's actually the one that you're going to use the most as well, because probably if you're watching this video, it's because you're selling as a kind of, you want to get leads for a service, or you want to get people to buy a product that you are selling. So these objectives that I'm going to mention to you are the ones that you're going to be working with the most. So let's dive into it. Okay, the first objective that I'm going to mention is engagement. So for example, if you want people to start engaging in your post, to start reacting, liking, commenting, or sharing your post, then you can choose engagement. Engagement basically is gonna start bringing you people that are more likely to engage. And you might be wondering, how does Facebook know who they're going to put your ads in front of? So what type of people they're gonna show your ads so you can have engagement? So depending on how you react on the platform Facebook tag you as an engager. In this case, if you're a person that constantly like, comment, or share in a post, you are tagged as an engager. So Facebook knows everything. Remember, they know everything you do inside the platform. So immediately you are being tagged as an engager, and if a person wants people to engage in their posts, Facebook gonna start searching in his enormous database for people that are tagged as an engager. So they're gonna start bringing you people that are gonna be commenting and sharing your posts, but this doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna start getting sales or getting leads. You know, that is not the objective. Now, this objective is good because when people start engaging in your posts, they're gonna start tagging their friends, and their friends, they're gonna tag their friends, and it's gonna create a chain, you know? And it's good if you want to get exposure for your business. Now, the second that I want to talk about is video views. I really like video views because let's say that you want to teach something. Let's say that you are a dentist and you want to teach people about dental implants. You know, you can create a video talking about the best type of dental implants, and you can choose the objective video views. This way, Facebook, remember, Facebook tag you. Let's say that you are a person that normally watch videos on YouTube. On Facebook, sorry. I normally watch a lot of videos. So Facebook's gonna tag me as a video viewer. So they're gonna start finding you people that are more likely to watch the entire video. So this way is great because it's also gonna bring you exposure, build an audience. Remember that I always mention to you that it's important to build an audience, and video views is a great objective to start building that audience. And something that I like about this objective is that you can segment people depending on the percentage of the video they watch. If they watch 10 seconds, 50 seconds, 25, 75, 95% of the video, you want to be able to know that. So if you want people to see your videos and you want to get exposure, build an audience, then video views is a good objective you can choose. Now, these two objectives, engagement and video views, they go hand in hand. It's a perfect combination if you want to get exposure, build an audience for your business fast. And this objective happen inside the Facebook platform, you know? Inside the Facebook platform, I mean that you don't have to go to a website or to another, let's say, send people to a YouTube or to Google, you know? These are actions that happen inside the platform. And right now with these updates and these changes that Facebook is going through, I highly recommend you to start using this type of objective if you want to start getting exposure, because the data that you collect is going to stay within the Facebook platform. So this way Facebook is going to be able to understand more and to collect data that's going to help you get like your ideal customer. So start using this type of objective. It's really good to get exposure. Now the third one that I'm going to mention to you is traffic. Let's say, for example, let's continue with the same example of the dentist. Let's say that you create a blog post, this time talking about the different type of implants, and at the end of the blog post you have a call to action for people to schedule an appointment in your clinic. So you want people to read the blog post because this way you're gonna educate them of what is the best choice for them. So you want to create an ad and send these people to the blog post. So in your website, the blog post is inside your website. So you're gonna bring a person from the Facebook platform to the other platform that is your website, that is outside of the Facebook platform. This objective happened outside of the Facebook platform. So if you want to do this, if you want to send people from Facebook to your website, then I recommend you to use the objective that is traffic, because it's gonna find you people that are more likely to click on your ad and go to your website. Remember, this time Facebook is looking for people that are tagged as a clicker, people that are more likely to click on ads and go outside of the platform, So this is a good objective if you want to do this kind of thing, send people to a blog post, or let's say you want to send them to your Instagram page or to a YouTube video. You can use the objective traffic. And the last objective is one that you're gonna use a lot. If you want to get people to get your service or products, then you're gonna use this objective. Now, inside the objective that is called conversions, you have different events. So if you want people to give you the email address, you want to start collecting leads, you can choose the event leads inside the conversion objective. Okay, so if you want people to purchase a product, you can choose the event purchase. If you want people to schedule an appointment, you can choose the event appointment scheduling. I believe that's how it calls, if I'm not mistaken. But there are other different events, but those are the ones that people use the most. I use the most those events. But yes, the conversion objective is the one that you're gonna use the most. And this also happen outside of the platform, because if you want to collect leads, you wanna send this user from Facebook, they're gonna see your ad, they're gonna click on your ad, and they're gonna go to your website where you're gonna have a form to collect the lead, the email address or your other phone numbers. If you want people to purchase in your e-commerce store, you're gonna send people from the Facebook platform to your Shopify or to your WooCommerce store, outside of the Facebook platform, that people that are more likely to purchase. Remember, Facebook is gonna start searching in his enormous database for people that are more likely to buy, or are more likely to share their email address, or are more likely to schedule an appointment. Facebook knows everything, and this conversion event, you're gonna use it a lot because it's what's gonna bring you the more benefits for your business. Purchase leads, initiate checkout, schedule an appointment, all these kind of things. So in a nutshell, those are the 4 main objectives. Let's recap a little bit. Engagement, video views is perfect for you if you want people to engage with your post, with your ads, and if you want people to see your videos, if you're running video ads. These 2 objectives happen inside the Facebook platform, and these are great objectives if you want to get exposure for your business, grow an audience fast. Then we have traffic. If you want to send people to a blog post, to your Instagram page, or to your YouTube page, then traffic is a good objective that you can go for. And the last one, conversion, that is the one that you're gonna use the most. You want people to share their email address, you want to start collecting leads, then you wanna use this one. You want purchases, people to also add to cart, people to initiate checkout, people to schedule an appointment. You wanna use conversion, and you wanna choose from different events depending of what you want to get. So basically, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope that you are clear. If you have any question, you can comment below with the hashtag HeyJordan, and I'm gonna be happy to answer your questions. And yeah, if you want me to also help you with this, you want me to create these campaigns for you, you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/call, schedule a time to have a friendly conversation with me, and let's see how I can help you out. So yeah, I hope you find this video valuable. Smash that like button, share it with someone that might need this to watch this video, and see you in the next one.